1. Nana Sahib, born as Donder Pant, was a prominent figure in the Indian Rebellion of 1857 against British rule. 2. As the adopted son of the last Peshwa, Baji Rao II, Nana Sahib was denied his inheritance by the British East India Company, leading to growing resentment. 3. The annexation of his adopted father's pension by the British further fueled Nana Sahib's discontent and fueled his participation in the rebellion. 4. Nana Sahib played a significant role in the siege of Campa, where British women and children were held captive during the uprising. 5. After negotiations broke down, a massacre occurred known as the Bibaya Massacre, where the captives were killed. 6. Nana Sahib's ultimate fate remains uncertain, as he disappeared from historical records after the rebellion. 7. He is often remembered for his leadership during the early stages of the revolt, and for his attempt to establish an independent Indian state. 8. The Nana Rao Park in Campa is named after him, acknowledging his historical significance in the region. 9. Nana Sahib's role in the rebellion has been depicted in various historical accounts, novels, and films. 10. His legacy remains as a symbol of resistance against British colonialism and the fight for Indian independence.